Shifting our focus to some of the breaking developments coming in. This is as far as the Delhi hit and drag case is concerned, where we now understanding Delhi's Rohini Court has granted bail to Ashutosh. The Sessions Court has granted bail to Ashutosh on a bail bond of rupees 50,000. The court has also asked Ashutosh to cooperate in the investigation and also that he can't leave the national capital without permission of the court. Let me bring in my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar. So Ananya, we're understanding bail has been given, but what are the conditions of the bail?
Well, Ashutosh was the owner of that particular car, that Baleno car from which accident had taken place. And now the Delhi's Rohini Court has actually given out bail to Ashutosh on a bail bond of rupees 50,000 and one surety of like amount. The court has asked him to keep his phone switched on since his location would be tracked by the Delhi police. And he has also been asked to cooperate in the investigation. And he cannot leave the National Capital Territory of Delhi without the permission of the court. These are the conditions that have been given out by the court. However, with regards to the reason on which the bail has been granted to Ashutosh is yet not known because the detailed order is not out yet. But remember that Ashutosh's bail becomes very, very important because while opposing his bail application, the Delhi police had told the court on the previous occasion that it would be invoking a 302, that is a murder charge in this particular case. This was the submission that was there by the Delhi police on the last date of hearing. But after that also bail has been granted. However, on the legal understanding of it, whenever a charge has to be moved into a particular case, there has to be a formal application, and then only 302 charge or any other charge under the IPC or any other act can be invoked into this particular case. Though this was an oral submission, this might not have been enough for the Delhi police to say if at all application would have been moved, then the circumstances would have changed, and that's sure. According to my legal understanding that this could have happened. However, the detailed order is yet to be out, and we'll get to know as to what are the reasons why Ashutosh has been granted bail and the Delhi police case has fallen flat when it comes to Ashutosh. However, remember, he was the owner of that particular car. However, he was not present in that car when the incident had taken place. That could also be a very, very grave reason
so why the bail has been given. What are the conditions? Those details are still sketchy. But Ananya, unfortunately, I'll have to leave that conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details. Well, with that, it's a wrap from my side.